Iisa lang ang Diyos at hindi totoo ang Trinity kasi wala sa Bible. Sagutin po natin yan. Mga kapatid, una, number one, hindi po totoo na isa lang ang Diyos. Even the Bible in 2 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 4 na there is also another God, the God of this world. Yun yung si Satan. And also in Book of Luke and Matthew in the Gospel, there is also another God which is the money. Now, yung tinutukoy nating Trinity, hindi ba totoo kasi wala sa Bible? Porket wala sa Bible ay hindi na siya totoo. Nag-i-exist po yung Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit all throughout the history of the Bible. Paano po nangyari yan? In John chapter 10 verse 30, sabi ni Jesus, I and the Father are one. And in John chapter 14 verse 26, the Holy Spirit, the Comforter, whom I will send to you from the Father, He will guide you and teach you and remind you